In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your Google Wallet or Google Pay app on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if I go ahead and open up my Google Wallet, you can see my font size is currently set to this. And in order to make it larger, what I need to do is head back and then go into my settings app. Now, once I'm in my settings app, I need to navigate lower and click into display. And once I'm inside display, I need to navigate lower and look for font size and style. So click into font size and style. Now, once we're on this page here, you will see a slider below where it says font size. And if I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size by that amount. And if I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So have a play around of how large you want your font size to be. So I'm going to keep it at about that. From here, I'm going to go back and now go back into my Google Wallet. And you can see that my font size is currently has been increased by that amount that I set to.